Are you a student, job seeker, blogger, writer, or entrepreneur ready to monetize your voice? Imagine earning up to $500 daily just by writing or commenting online. This isn't a dream, it's a tangible opportunity waiting for you. In this video, I will show you how it works, the different payment methods, how to withdraw, and how to earn from commenting or writing online. As a bonus tip, I will show you how this can work worldwide, even when the platform limits some countries.
So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online, okay? We share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle, right? We equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry, okay? Now, just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos, all right? These videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online, okay? Now, just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox, okay?
In this part of the video, you'll understand how the platform really works and how it could pay you up to $500 a day. Within the next few seconds, in under 2 minutes, I'll reveal a mind-blowing opportunity that thousands of people are already earning from but aren't telling you about. The platform is Medium.com, a trusted site that pays you for engaging content. Simply share your insights, stories, or expertise and get paid based on reader engagement. You can then accumulate your earnings and withdraw seamlessly through popular payment methods like PayPal or Stripe. While availability may vary by region, don't let that stop you. Select an area where the platform is active and, if needed, use a VPN to access it. Start accumulating funds today. Your financial freedom is just a few clicks away.